Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. HackerRank is hiring interns for two different roles in India. We'll see what are those roles and how to apply for the internship, everything. But before that, let me just give you a small intro about HackerRank company. So HackerRank is basically a technical assessment and interview solution platform which is used by other companies around the world for hiring developers. And developers are also using this HackerRank platform to develop their coding skills and develop their skill set. So now let us move on and see what are those two different roles for which HackerRank is hiring interns. First one is product manager intern. So first let me tell you the common things between the two internship roles. These two internships are 6 months full-time internship which will be starting on January 2022 and it will go up to June 2022. And apply to these internships only if you are available for the entire duration, which means if you are planning to apply to this internship, make sure that you can attend this internship from January 2022 to June 2022. Make sure that before you apply to these internships at HackerRank. And all these are remote internships, which means you can work from anywhere in India. So now coming back to this particular internship, as a product manager intern, you have a lot of responsibilities which includes analyzing and understanding customer behavior, and you have to interact with other designers, developers and the other team members to execute every product plan, and you also have to communicate with stakeholders on a regular basis. So you have a lot more responsibilities. You'll get to know everything once you get into this internship. And for now, HackerRank is looking for a product manager intern who have good critical thinking and problem solving skills, and who's good at communication, and who can bring out the best out of data and metrics, and who have some experience with design and user experience. So here they have given some expectations. So if you meet these expectations, it's well and good. You have a good opportunity to get into this internship. And once you get into this internship, you will be assigned with a mentor, and that mentor will give you complete guidance throughout your 6 months internship at HackerRank. So make use of it. This is the first one. Next one is technical content engineer intern. So basically all the rules and regulations are same. 6 months internship, January 2022 to June 2022. And you can be from any part of India. And coming to this particular role, technical content engineer intern, you will be writing codes, and you will be creating interview questions which will be solved by other engineers, and you have to build some process, and you have to work with some tools to enable content creation. And these are the things which they are looking for in technical content engineer intern. So if you have good content creation skills, and if you have already participated in any coding competitions, and if you are good at algorithms and data structures, and if you have some good communication skills, then you have very good opportunity. So these are the 6 things which they have given us expectations from interns, and all the other things are same for these two internships. So these are the two different roles for which HackerRank is hiring interns now. Technical content engineer and product manager intern. So now let me just tell you how to apply for this internships. So you can see here apply now button, just click on it and it will take you to this part of the page, and here you can simply fill in your basic details like your name, email ID, phone number, and then you have to give your educational details, and you have to give the link of your LinkedIn profile, and if you have a website of your own, you can give that as well. If you have a portfolio website, it's well and good. Just make sure that you give that link here. And if you have worked on some projects, you can also list them here. And once you are done with filling in all the details, you can simply click on the submit application button at the bottom. So it's a very simple process. This is how you need to apply for these internships at HackerRank. I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about internships, workshops, online events, free online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this.